Here are some things you may not have known about the 1983 Disney holiday special, Mickey's Christmas Carol. First, it was the first original Mickey Mouse theatrical cartoon produced in over 30 years. In fact, Mickey had not appeared in a movie theater since the 1953 short film, The Simple Things. Second, Mickey's Christmas Carol was mostly an animated version of a 1974 record version of Dickens' Christmas Carol. The record version featured similar dialogue and many of the same Disney characters. And third, Mickey's Christmas Carol was the only Mickey Mouse short in which John Lasseter was involved as an animator. Lasseter later went on to work with Steve Jobs on what became Pixar, overseeing all of their films and associated projects as executive producer and directing Toy Story, A Bug's Life, Toy Story 2, Cars, and Cars 2. I'll give you one more. Weirdly, if you look closely in the graveyard scene of Mickey's Christmas Carol, there are tombstones of famous performers, including Gladys Knight and the Pips. Follow me here and on my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw Scrooge McDuck and hundreds of other lessons.